Chicken Parmigiana, an Italian classic. It's cool and it's hip, just like the Vegas Strip back in the Rat Pack days. So today we're tossing out Nona's recipe. Yeah, drastic. We're adding a twist, something bold and divine. So stick around, you're gonna love this time. Like, share, subscribe to Buzz Cooks today. Hit that bell for new vids coming your way. Now let's get cooking, let's do it right. This one's easy, fast, and pure delight.
Alrighty, you ready to get cooking? I am. So, we got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I cut nice and thin, pounded out just a little bit. And we're going to do the old flour, egg wash, Italian breadcrumb. And we'll let those sit in the fridge for a minute or two. That always helps to keep the coating on. We're going to get our cast iron skillet out. And we're going to put in some nice avocado oil. Turn the heat up to medium-high. And we want to get a temperature up to about 350 degrees before we start to fry these cutlets up. So once we get up to temp, we're going to gently layer our cutlet down. And we'll fry it up about 3 to 4 minutes per side. You'll see it'll get golden brown pretty quick and cook pretty quick because they are thin. And after a few minutes, we'll flip these over, drain them out on a paper towel. And while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. Appreciate you all very much. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. One comes out every Wednesday and every Sunday. So we just flip that over. We'll go another few minutes. And then we'll lay that onto some paper towel. And then we're going to get started on the twist, the new twist to do chicken parm. So I'm going to get my 8-inch non-stick pan out. And we're just going to pour a little bit of your favorite marinara sauce in there. And then we'll turn the heat on to about medium-low. And then we're going to add shredded whole milk mozzarella right into that sauce, right on top. And we're going to let that go until it starts to bubble up and melt. Take a few minutes. While that's going on, we'll plate our cutlet on to a nice plate. And once this bubbles up, we're just going to pour this right over the top, and it will coat that chicken perfectly. The best chicken parm you've ever had because it's completely coated. Nothing's missing. Give this new style a chance. I think you'll like it a lot. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Chicken Parmigiana, an Italian classic. It's cool and it's hip, just like the Vegas Strip back in the Rat Pack days. So today we're tossing out Nona's recipe. Yeah, drastic. We're adding a twist, something bold and divine. So stick around, you're gonna love this time. Like, share, subscribe to Buzz Cooks today. Hit that bell for new vids coming your way. Now let's get cooking, let's do it right. This one's easy, fast, and pure delight. Thin sliced chicken breast, nice and lean. Into the flour, then eggs and Italian breadcrumbs. Mean, fried up crispy, 350's the key. Golden brown perfection, just wait and see. Once it's done, set it down, paper towel rest. Crunchy on the outside, yeah, you passed the test. Now here